circulatory pathways. There are two types of circulatory pathways, open circulatory pathway and closed circulatory pathway. Open circulatory pathway is observed in case of lower animals. In this, the blood from the heart is pumped out directly into the body cavity or the open spaces called as sinuses, whereas in case of closed circulatory system, blood from the heart is pumped out or through the body with closed network of blood vessels. That is, blood from the heart will be pumped into blood vessels which are closely related, forming a network across the body, and hence circulation will take place. Human circulatory system. It comprises of heart, blood vessels, capillaries, veins and arteries. As you can see in the diagram, heart is mesodermal or mesodermally derived organ covered by a double-walled membrane bag known as pericardium. Human heart is four-chambered. Two upper small chambers are known as atria and two large lower chambers are known as ventricles. The two arterias are the blood flow between two arteria is regulated by interatrial septum, and the blood flow between two ventricles is regulated by interventricular septum. Right atrium, the blood flow from right atrium to the right ventricle is controlled by a three-walled valve known as tricuspid valve, and the blood flow from left atrium to right ventricle is controlled by bicuspid valve. Valves are responsible for the unidirectional flow of blood, that is, blood from heart flows in one direction only, it cannot flow back. Heart is covered by cardiac muscles all over. Walls of ventricle is thicker than the walls of atria. Nodal tissue is present across the heart. Right atrium, upper corner of right atrium shows a node named as SA node, which is also known as pacemaker of heart because it is having the ability to generate action potential without any external stimuli. That is, it is auto-excitable. It can generate action potential 70 to 75 times in a minute. In the right atrium, lower corner, you will see AV node. Nodes are further divided into fibers, and this network of fibers leads to formation of Purkinje fibers. These Purkinje fibers with right and left bundles forms bundle of His, and the special property of these bundles and tissues is that they are auto-excitable, thus helps in maintaining the rhythm of cardiac cycle and helps in contraction of heart. That is, they show generation of action potential, which I told is they generate action potential 70 to 75 times in a minute.